What's going on, Mixonites? I am Nathen Mixon with MixonFitness.com, and in this video we're going to do a cardio HIIT training video. So it's going to involve 8 different exercises. Each one of these exercises is going to last about 45 seconds. You're going to get 15 seconds to break though. All you need is a jump rope. If you don't have one, just use your invisible jump rope. Now with that being said, subscribe to the channel, turn on your push notifications, that way you don't miss the next workout, and let's get this party started. So that's all you're gonna see of those jump ropes right there. Really good for your calves, really good for your core. All right, really good for building that cardio. So that was the warm up. Let's get ready to do something else.
3, 2, 1. Tuck jumps.
Alright, cardio's getting up there. Chest pound a little bit, good for your quads, good for the core. Get it rolling.
Next, ski jumpers for 45 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Ski jumpers.
Your quads are on fire right now, cause mine is. We're gonna do some power jacks. Let's get ready to roll.
Next, power jacks for 45 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Power jacks.
The thing is, you want to make sure that you keep your heart rate up high, all right? Take these 15 seconds to get a deep, controlled breath. Drink water if you need to.
Next,
let's get back started.
Lateral lunge for 45 seconds.
Lateral lunge.
3, 2, 1. Lateral lunge.
up, start hitting the core. All right, you know what it is.
Next,
Let's
thrust
get ready to
planks
start.
for 45 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Thrust planks. Up next, break for 15 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Break.
Ouch. All right, so still working out. That's really good for the core, really good for the
Up
quads.
next,
We're
push-up
gonna
jacks
superset
for
that,
45
superset that with
seconds.
some quads.
3,
All right, go back to that plank
2,
position. Come back down.
1. Push-up jacks.
You're not from behind.
Up next, break for 15 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Break.
The front of your legs are on fire right now. Mine's burning up. All right. Last workout.
Up next,
I think.
walkouts for 45 seconds.
All right. We're gonna walk it out.
2, 1. Walkouts.
Walk right back into that plank position.
Cardio HIIT completed. 3, 2, 1. Your timer is complete.
All right. Catching my breath. Anyway, that was a good workout, so I hope you enjoyed it. This is going to be leg heavy, all right? Chest heavy, core heavy, full body workout. Just remember, key things here is make sure you're on some ground where you can control the environment, right? So soft ground is recommended because there's a lot of jumps, a lot of plyometric workouts going on here. But also too, it's gonna be really intense on your heart. So make sure you take your breaks when you need to. Do this 4 more times and you'll be good to go, all right? Do it anywhere. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on the push notifications. Hit the like button. I'll catch you later. Peace.